How was your day today? Enjoy.
Nice.
Enjoy your
Yes.
day. Okay. Was there any English class today? What?
Yes.
Okay. What you did in your English class?
We did the revision only because our portion is done. That's so.
Okay. So you had done the revision today. Is the other student joining us? Tisha, is she joining?
I don't think so.
Why?
Actually, our tuitions must be there.
Okay. So she cannot join. Let me check once. Let me check. Yours is CBSE or this thing, state board? Yours is CBSE, no?
No, mine is Maharashtra and her is CBSE.
Yours is Maharashtra, no?
Yes.
Okay. She is from CBSE board.
Yeah.
Divishana, let me find out if I can, new student. I have sent her a message also. Okay. Today we are going to study about the lesson. Okay. The lesson is a time to, do you remember your lesson? Okay. Before I start the lesson, what is our last lecture? What we did on our last lecture?
Verbs.
Verbs. What is a verb? What's a
A
verb?
verb.
Yes, dear. What's a verb?
A verb.
Yes, Lakshita, I'll help you. Tivisha is not lifting the phone only. Okay, fine. Hello.
Definition of verb. A word or group of words.
Hello. What is a verb, Lakshita? She's not lifting the phone. Lakshita, can you hear me? Lakshita, can you hear me? Put your audio on. Lakshita, put your audio on. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Okay. We are saying in time of silver rain. What is this? In time of silver rain. So it's Langston Hughes who has written this poem. Before going that, let us know about the poet. Langston Hughes was an American writer and activist who won many awards and honors for his work. He started a new style of writing poetry in which rhythm and spontaneous expression are important. Mostly the people write in a rhythmic form, but along with the rhythm, he put the expression also. In this poem, he describes how rain brings joy and life on the earth. So what is the central theme of the poem is how this rain brings beauty, brings life, brings joy on our planet Earth. So this was about the writer. Okay. Some other is there in the waiting room. Let me see. Oh, return to meeting. Lakshita, why you're okay? You're one again. You had joined. Fine. Yes, Lakshita. Hello. Yeah, I put it in. I admitted you again. Just see. See, I admitted you. You are there. You are there. Okay, got it? Okay, connect to your audio. Lakshita, I have put it in. You are there. You are on my screen. Some problem in joining? Yeah, I know you are with the another device. Okay, okay, with the another device, I'm also putting on. Okay, fine, Lakshita.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. Can you hear me, Lakshita?
Yes.
Okay, so what I was sharing the screen. Have you seen that? Ah, good. So we're discussing about the what is the word that will go to the end. First, we'll start the lesson, right? Shall we start the lesson, Lakshita?
Yes.
Okay.
The time of silver rain.
Yeah, a time of silver rain. This lesson is, what is the theme of this poem? It is a poem, okay? The theme of the poem is that this rain, silver rain, brings joy, happiness, life, beauty to our earth planet. Fine. Around this only, who has written this? Langston Hughes has written this poem. So let us know about this American writer. And he was an American writer and an activist who won many awards and honors for his work. He started a new style of writing poetry in which rhythm and spontaneous expression are important. In this poem, he describes the rain brings joy and life to the earth. Clear? So who is the poet? Who is the poet? Name the poet. Langston Hughes. He is an American writer. He is a writer as well as an activist. He has won so many awards. He is having different style of writing poem. One is with the rhyming as well as the expression. Fine. Now we'll go to the, okay. Here is the poem. Can you see my screen? Okay.
Yes.
See how I am going to read the poem. Then you will also read the poem. Then I will explain you the meaning of the poem. Clear, Lakshita?
Yes.
In Time of Silver Rain, written by Langston Hughes. In time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. Green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads. And over all the plain, the wonder spreads. Oh life, oh life, oh life. In time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry. And trees put forth new leaves to bring in joy beneath the sky. As down the roadway, passing boys and girls go singing too. In time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. A poem written by Langston Hughes. Okay, now you will read. You have to read where it is a comma, give a pause, and where you find you have to pitch your voice, either high pitch or the low pitch. In time of silver rain, then I put the low mic, the earth. Okay, I put a stress on the word. The earth put forth new life again. I gave a pause. Green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads. I gave a big pause because full stop is there. And over all the plain, the wonder spreads. Oh life, oh life, oh life. In times of silver rain, the butterflies lift their wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky, as down the runway, passing boys and girls go singing too, in time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. Langston Hughes. Yes, now you read. Carry on. Put your video on, this audio on. Yes, beta. I'll help you. Go ahead.
Yes. In time of silver rain, in Langston Hughes. In time of silver rain, the earth put forth new life again. Green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads. And over all the plain, the wonder spreads. Oh life, oh life, oh life. In time of silver rain, the butterflies let slip in wings. Catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing. Joy beneath the sky, as down the roadway, passing boys and girls go singing too. In time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. Langston Hughes.
Okay, fine. Now I'm explaining the first stanza. In time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. When it rains, what happens to the earth? It becomes beautiful. You will see greenery is there, flowers are blowing, blooming, birds are chirping, rainbows are there. So that is said in times of silver rain. Why they said the silver rain? Because you must have heard the proverb that after a dark cloud, there is a silver lining. Or when the raindrop shines, it gives a silver color. That's why they have compared the, said the rain either with the cloud, compare it with the star, or with the raindrops when they shine. In time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. So when there is a rain, the earth becomes, there life comes in the earth. Do you agree with me? You must have seen in the month of after the May, June, very warm in Mumbai. And when after 10th June or at the end of the June, we get the rains, isn't it? You will see greenery, lush greenery is there. You will see the coolness in the air. You see that all the plants are looking beautiful. Okay, before that they are dry. When the earth is also dry, soil I mean to say. And flowers lift their heads and over all the plain. So when there is the rain is there, so again there is a growth in the plants. Plants get the rain, isn't it? The flowers here, there is that they have, that's called the, what they say, they have compared the flower heads like the human beings. When we are happy, we lift our heads. So same the flowers, when they get the rain, they are happy, they are personification. When any non-living thing is compared with the person, it's called the, with the character, with the trait of the personality of the person, it's called the personification. Here it is the, so the, and flowers lift their heads. Flowers don't have the heads. Flowers, we can say they bloom, but they say the flowers lift their heads like the human beings. Aapko kuch acha lagta, you want to sing, you want to enjoy, you want to lift your heads, you want to dance. Okay, got this stanza? And over all the plain and over the all the plain, there is a beautiful green, lush greenery is there. Every plant is growing. There is a flowers are blooming, animals, birds, everything. You will see the life in them. All the plains, meadows are lush green are there. And the wonder spreads. So you wonder, are just now we had a dry climate. The earth was dry. The plants were dry. They were the flowers were not closed. So after the, you will see new change on our planet. So that is why they say the wonder spreads. You become, oh, see how the rain brings the life on our earth. So that's called, there is a wonder after the rain. Got it? Okay. Oh life, oh life, oh life. Yes, they say 3 times life. Yes, on our earth, there is life to live. Clear the first stanza? I again explain it. In time of silver rain, when there is a silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. Again, the earth which was dry, which was looking dull, again it came alive. It put forth its life. Green grasses grow. When there is a silver rain, the green grass grows and flowers lift their heads. And over all the plains, we will see the wonders are going. Oh, life, of life, of life, of life. In time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings. So when it rained, what did the butterflies do? They also become happy. With their happiness, what they spread their beautiful wings. Isn't it? Butterflies are very colorful, beautiful one. To catch a rainbow cry. Okay, when the rainbow is a good omen. When there is a rainbow, you must have seen. How many colors are there in the rainbow? How many colors, Lakshita, in the rainbow? Yes, Lakshita?
How many colors are there in the rainbow?
Yes. 7 colors. How many colors? 7 colors. How you will remember them? Vibgor. V-I-B-G. Vibgor. V for violet. I for indigo. B for blue. G for green. Okay, like that you should remember the colors, 7 colors of the. Okay, when there is a rain falling, okay, when the sun shines on that droplet of the rain, the sun ray gets deflected, okay, and you will see the 7 colors reflection of the sun. You see the 7 colors. Fine. The time of silver rain, the butterflies lift their sails. So when there is a silver, when it is raining, what's the butterflies become very happy. They open their beautiful silken wings, beautiful, cute silver wings to catch a rainbow cry. So what the butterflies, they become happy. They see the rainbow crying means rainbow is also happy because the rain is around. Then only the rainbow can come out. Na? Out of happiness, the rainbow is crying. And trees put forth new leaves to sing. So when there is a rain, there is again new leaves are coming up from the put forth. Aage aate hain, they give out. So what they give out? The green leaves. New leaves, when the new leaves are sing, when there is a movement in the, we say the plants also sing. Yes, it is true. There is a life in the plants. So when there is a rain, these leaves also sing. Enjoy beneath the sky. So we are all below the sky, we enjoy beneath the sky as down the roadway, passing the, and what we will see on the road, the boys and girls are also singing too. In time of rain, when spring and life are new. So in time of the spring has come and there's a new life has come. So we enjoy this night, we enjoy this new life when there is a silver rain. Okay, so can I, Lakshita, have you understood? Now the second stanza, first stanza I explained. Okay, second stanza again I will explain. In time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings. So what the butterflies do? They lift their beautiful wings because they are happy, rain is around. And when they are flying, what they catch the rainbow cry. Here the rainbow cries, again the personification, cry, human beings cry. So the rainbow is compared with the crying of the human being. It's called the personification. So, yes, you want to ask something? Yes, Lakshita. What is it? You raised your hand. Unmute yourself. Yes. Ask. Good.
Is the poet talking about the heavy rains in the rainy season or the
Heavy.
rain that has come after a long time?
Rain after the harsh summer. Rain after the harsh summer, not heavy rain. And you get the rainy season just started. So what is the change on the earth? So it is discussing about that thing. Fine. There is no slow rain or the fast rain or the heavy rain. It is just after the summer season, dry season, how the rain brings life to the earth. Langston Hughes is talking about that thing. Clear? Okay. Yes or no? You have to give me the thumbs up. Understood? Now, in time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silicon wings. Who lift their silicon wings? Butterflies. Here the silicon wings are taken as the beautiful, colorful wings. What they catch? The rainbow cry. Rainbow doesn't cry in sorrow. It cries in for the joy, for the happiness. New and trees put forth. What the trees give out? They give out the, put forth means they give out what the leaves, new leaves. Enjoy beneath the sky, and we are, it is all going enjoying beneath the sky. Passing by, as down the roadways, you will see what is there? Boys and girls, they are singing too. In time of silver rain, when spring and life are for them, the spring has come, the new life has come, everything is looking beautiful, everything. So this oh life is, yes, there is a life on the planet Earth. Clear? The meanings are clear. Let us go to the, okay.
Yes.
Can you explain me the meaning of this one? How you'll explain me the first stanza? Yes. Yes, beta.
The meaning of the first stanza is, in the time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. The earth gets the new life,
Yes, very good.
and the grasses grow.
Grasses grow, yes. You must have seen the mostly when there is the plantation we do before the rains. होता है ना, farmers also do the plantation. आपको कभी पौधा अपने घर में लगाना होता है ना, हम बोलते हैं रेनी सीजन आएगा उससे पहले पौधा, क्योंकि रेंज उसको मिलेंगे तो then it will grow nicely. Okay, you must have seen.
All of
We get this tree plantation when 5th June or something like that only is there. Okay, so that is the time. It is a rainy season. Fine, go ahead.
yes, all over the world, the wonder spreads.
Yes,
This life,
all over the plain. What is a plain? Gardens are there, meadows are there, grounds are there, wonders are there. It was a dry soil, dry land was there. Now we are seeing the green plants are there, green grass is there, beautiful flowers are there, butterflies are there, rainbows are there. That's why I call it the wonders spread. By the fall of the rain, we will see the wonders around. Of life means, yes, there is a life, new life on this planet Earth. Next stanza. Have you understood the first one is clear? Yes?
yes.
Okay, fine. Next.
In the time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings.
Yeah.
The butterflies leap their wings, their beautiful wings.
Yeah, beautiful silicon. Well, butterflies are very tiny, isn't it? Butterfly, cute, tiny creature. Their wings are like the silk is said to be a very posh cloth. Okay, very smooth, shining cloth. So their wings also shine, and to catch the rainbow cry. And this, the rainbow is not crying for the sorrow; it's crying for the happiness. Because rainbow can come out only when there is a rain. I said, no, there's a science behind it. When the, yes.
And trees put forth new leaves to sing.
And what the trees give out, they put forth, they give out what? The new leaves. When the plants grow, you will see the old leaves shed out and the new leaves come up. Next, that's the growth of the plant.
The sky as down the roadway.
Uh-huh.
Passing boys and girls go singing too. In time of silver rain, when spring and life are new.
So
When the boys are passing from a roadway, they goes happily and singing the silver rain. In the time of silver rain, the time of
it's spring,
spring has a new life.
and a new beginning has come. Okay, new life has come, new beginning.
There is a new life.
You got the little bit of idea about this point? Still read yourself. Try to get the how it is explained. You are not getting anything. Next lecture you can ask me before we start the new. Let us go through the question answers now. Fine. Have you now, Lakshita, tell me last lesson, the King's Choice. Question answers clear? King's Choice. Is there any? I WhatsApp you also the message. If you are having any doubt in question answers, you write the question so that I can give you the answers about that thing. But you already said in the school, I have got the question answer. Still any doubt, you should put it in the WhatsApp group so that next time I will give the answers to that. Fine. Start learning question answers. Very good. I did the very fast. Wait, I'm getting the question answer. Wait, just a minute. Where it is. And it's so fast. Yeah, here we go. Now. Just a minute. Okay. Can you see my screen? Yes. So this is about the poet, who is the Langston Hughes, American writer, activist who won many awards, honors for his work. He started. Lakshita, are you there? Can you hear me? Lakshita, can you hear me? Lakshita? Lakshita, you are having some network issue. Join again. Okay. Can you hear me now? Lakshita, can you hear me now? Yes. We are doing now the exercise. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to the first one. Find the pairs of rhyming words used in the end of the lines of the poem. Tell me what are the rhyming words? Yes, I'll also get on this poem.
Yes.
Can you get the rhyming words? Yes, Lakshita? Take your time and tell me. Think what are the rhyming words?
Yes.
Yes. Tell me now. Read out the rhyming words.
Two new.
Hmm? Yes, dear. Yes. Yes, Lakshita. Good girl. Try.
Yes.
I'm taking out the point. Okay. Now book is in front of you. Okay. Rain again. Okay. These are rhyming words.
But we have to find from the ending lines.
No, how they say, find the pairs of rhyming words used in the end of the lines of the poem. Yeah. Rain is the end of the line, no?
Yes, yes.
Oh, rain, then again is also there. Again is
Yeah.
also the, we see the last word should, last, they say RAIN, AGAIN. Isn't it same alphabets? Iron, iron, rain, again. So these are called the rhyming words. Then
I
comes,
say?
yeah, tell.
Heads spreads.
A spur, very good. Head spreads. Again,
Plain and rain also is there.
what?
Plain rain.
Yeah, rain, plain or plain rain. Super. So we got the three pairs of rhyming words. Go ahead.
Sky.
Where it is now?
To catch a rainbow cry.
Okay.
Enjoy Bennett.
Cry sky. Very good. Go ahead.
Like,
Anything more is there?
no.
No. Okay. Rain, butterflies is there? No. Cry, sky. Fourth के साथ है. Sing, no. Girls के साथ. Okay. This much only is the rhyme. So got the first answer? Got the first answer? Okay. Read the poem aloud using proper intonation. Intonation means the how you will make high tone or the low tone. जो मैंने पहले बताया, when you are reading the poem, you have to make it high pitch or the low pitch. Suppose I am reading, in time of silver rain, the earth, so my pitch was low. The earth puts forth a new life again. Green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads. Like that, hyper, that's called an intonation. Okay, you have to read the poem. If you were to draw a landscape, अगर आपको एक landscape बनाना होता है, land, what is a landscape?
Landscape is a type of drawing.
Okay, very good. On the basis of this poem, you have to make. What elements will you show in it? What colors will you use? Tell me. What elements? क्या क्या उसमें बनाओगे? क्या elements? जैसे हमको चाय बनानी होते हम क्या लेते हैं? Water लेते हैं, tea leaves लेते हैं, sugar, milk, isn't it? These are the elements. So when you have to make the landscape, what elements you will put there? I'll give the hint. Birds, rainbow,
Birds, rainbow,
flowers, isn't it? Plants, grass,
bird, plant, river.
river. Fine. These are the, you will put the hand. House. But no, it is house was they are not mentioned in this point. Otherwise, in the landscape, house also comes. But it's not. According to this point, we can put butterflies. Then we can put a rainbow. We can put the plants. We can put the grass. We can put the flowers. We can put boys and girls. We can put the sky, under the sky. We can put the playing the riverside. Okay. We can show the rain. These are the elements you can put. Clouds you can put. Clear? And what color you will put? What colors you will choose from your color box? Grass is green. Butterflies are having different colors. Rainbow also with the different colors. Okay. So how this is with the help of this poem, we can make a beautiful landscape. Agree? Okay.
Yes.
Write one or two sentences about something beautiful using your own experience or image. Then arrange the words in the sentence in a poetic form. You may write, but a beautiful day, a beautiful night, a stream, a crop standing in a field, a graceful bird or animal. Now they have given us the activity. In that activity, they say, write one or two sentences about something beautiful. You want to write about a pen. You want to write about the summer season or rainy season or winter season. Out of your imagination, you have to write. And then put it in the poetic form, in a rhythm form, in the poetic, in the expression form. Okay? See if you can do it, then we'll have this. Now fill in the blanks with reference to the poem. What will come? In time of rain, when spring, what will come?
New.
How we are going after? 3 to 4 is it? In time of rain, when spring and life are?
New.
In time of silver rain, where it is? When spring.
In time of silver rain, when spring and life are new.
Okay. The butterflies lift.
Silken wings.
The butterflies lift their wings. There. To catch a rainbow cry. And trees put forth new leaves to sing enjoy beneath the sky as
down the roadway, as it's not there.
no,
Passing boys and girls.
as dash boys and girls passing. Very good. To what will come? To
Go singing.
dash singing down the roadway. Go singing. Yes, go singing. Okay. I heard two singing, so I was finding out that. Think and answer. Is the poem talking about heavy residue? Ask me this question. Or rain that has come after a long time. The poet is talking about not the heavy rain, but the rain which has come after the harsh summer. Are the boys and girls happy when it is raining? Yes, they are very happy. They are enjoying the rainy season. Find out the following with the help of your teacher on the internet. Seasonal rain, monsoon in India and other countries, rain in countries like UK which experience. So we have to see all this in the internet. See if you can do it, otherwise I'll help you. Talk about your favorite season, a 1 minute activity. Okay. Okay, what is alliteration? When the same sound occurs at the beginning of two or more words in the same line is called the alliteration. What is that called? The alliteration. So we are having one grammar here, that's alliteration. Suppose you will see example, Naina needs new notebooks. And Naina starts with the N, needs N, and new and notebook. In this sentence, all the words are starting with the N. Same alphabet. So what is that called? Alliteration. What is called that? Alliteration. Find the example of alliteration from the poem. Collect other examples
of life, of life, of life.
Of life, of life, of life. No, this will not come alliteration. No.
Okay.
I'll give the time.
And 2, 3, and R.
Can we get something over here?
Nothing. In time of silver rain, the butterflies love silken wings.
Hello. Yes. Okay. I don't know. Vinita, can we talk after 5-10 minutes, 20 minutes? I'm in the class, dear. Okay, okay, dear. We'll definitely talk. Okay. Bye, dear. Bye-bye. Bye.
There is no alliteration.
No alliteration. Just let us see. When the same sound occurs in the beginning of two or more letters. Two or more letters. Let us see the two letters or more letters. In time of silver rain, no alteration, the earth no puts forth a new life again. Green grass grow. Wow.
Yes.
Green grass grow. Okay. Got it? Green is
Yes.
G. Grass is G. Grow is. Find out one more will be there. And flowers lift their heads and over all the plain and over all the wonder spreads of. In time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing, enjoy beneath the sky, as down the roadway, passing boys and going, singing too in time of silver rain. One is there, okay? Yes, Lakshita, one is there. What is that? What is that?
Green grasses grow.
Okay. Now that we learn the grammar here. One is rhyming, second is alliteration, third is personification. Okay? पर्सोनिफिकेशन, जब आप किसी चीज को एक ह्यूमन कैरेक्टर से मतलब ये करते हो, कंपेयर करते हो, उसको बोलते हैं पर्सोनिफिकेशन. अब यहाँ क्या पर्सोनिफिकेशन है? फ्लावर्स लिफ्ट देयर हेड्स. Flowers don't lift their heads. Who lift their heads? Human beings. So it is a personification. So flower is compared with the human head. One more is there. Wonder spread, silver grain, butterfly's wings, rainbow cry. Does the rainbow cry? Who cries? We only cry, na human beings. It is called the rainbow cry is also personification. Anything else is there? Trees put forth leaves to sing. Okay, I will say also leaves. Do the leaves sing? Who sings? The human beings, na? We sing. So again, it comes that thing. Girls too. Okay, so what we learned in this grammar? So today we study
Alliteration, personification,
and rhyming words.
and rhyming words.
Okay, now there is a one activity. I will give a 1 minute. Think about that. Then I will help you how to write, how we should write on this thing.
Actually, I have a question.
Yes, beta. Go ahead.
Why we use why in this poem that there is written 3 times of life and
Because
of
they say yes, there is a life on the earth. मतलब जो point है ना, he wants to make it sure.
Yes, but why it is written 3 times?
Yes, the poet says yes, there is a life on this earth. He is sure that we are. Have we got on any other planet the life till now? So much research is gone on the Mars is gone, moon, and they have not found life on this. So Longston says he is putting all life. Yes, there is a life on the planet, on the earth. Beautiful life we are having in any form, whether it is the plants, whether it is the animals, whether it is the insects, butterflies, human beings. Yes, we are sure we are having. That's why he has put the. And when you are making the poem, there is a difference between how to write a paragraph, how to write a poem. In the poem, there should be intonation. In the poem, there should be the rhyming words. In the poem, there should be rhythmic word. Rhythm should be there. Okay? Then only it's called the poetry. It is not called the literature. It is not called the chapter. It's not called the paragraph. Fine? Satisfied with the answer? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now go. Let us seasonal rains, monsoons in India and other countries. We have to find out seasonal rain. Rain in countries like UK, which experience spring, summer, autumn, winter. Lakshita, we are having one question activity here. Let me see if I can help you. Is the poet talking about the heavy rain? Find the teacher in the this. Okay. Here was one question. Okay. Write 1 or 2 sentences. This you will do. You know how to write a poetry?
Yes.
Okay.
I will try.
Have you written some poetry? No, you will try. So you will try and next class you will let me know. But there is a one thing. If you write sentence, there is a one thing. Okay. No, this is not this one. Make the landscape when you are feeling bored. अब मैं क्या करूं? I don't have to do anything. Make one landscape. Keep all these points of the poem in mind and make the nice landscape. Okay.
Yes.
1 minute activity. 1 minute you have to speak about the any season, favorite season. Okay.
Okay. I will speak about rainy season.
Fine. Very good. Very good. Go ahead.